Welcome to InstantlyClaw Review created by Abhi. In this video, I break down everything you need to know about InstantlyClaw, including a full demo, features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth your money. To all entrepreneurs, freelancers, and agency owners, we are witnessing the biggest technological shift since the smartphone. But here's the problem. ChatGPT just talks, while the world needs AI that actually gets things done. While everyone else is stuck in a loop of endless prompting, a new titan has emerged. OpenClaw, the world's most powerful open-source AI platform. There's a catch stopping 95% of people from profiting. Raw OpenClaw is a technical and security nightmare. Setting it up requires wrestling with Docker and terminal commands, and if you run it on your own computer, it has unrestricted access to your private files and bank logins. One wrong move could lead to deleted data or leaked keys. That gap between the hype and the ability to use it, that is where the money is. Introducing InstantlyClaw, the first product that gives you the raw power of OpenClaw, fully hosted, professionally secured, and pre-configured for you in just 60 seconds. Think of it this way. OpenClaw is a high-performance engine, but most people can't build the car. InstantlyClaw is the engine already installed, tested, and ready to drive. With a single click, you deploy your own private instance on secured cloud servers. No code, no terminal, and no powerful computer required. You can run your AI empire from a phone, tablet, or laptop. Unlike blank installs, InstantlyClaw comes fully loaded with a 9-agent organizational structure designed to work for you. 3 department managers, marketing, operations, and customer success. 6 specialist workers, including a content writer, research scout, ad analyst, and data analyst. These agents communicate, share memory, and delegate tasks autonomously. You give one instruction, they deliver the finished result while you walk away. To ensure they can handle any task, we've pre-installed 15 active skills, including full browser control for real-time research, Gmail and Google Calendar integration, and SEO research capabilities. I've got access to the InstantlyClaw demo, so you're about to see exactly how it works in real time. Give me a second.
Watch this. I'm inside my InstantlyClaw dashboard right now. Step 1, deploy your OpenClaw in one click. I press deploy, 60 seconds, fully hosted, fully secured OpenClaw running on our cloud servers, not on my laptop, not on a Mac Mini, our cloud, done. Step 2, give it a real task. Now watch something no chatbot on the planet can do. Find 10 restaurants in Miami with under 4-star Google ratings. Pull their name, address, phone, and review link. Write a personalized reputation management pitch email for each one with a 1-page PDF proposal attached. Then email each restaurant the pitch with the proposal. One message. That's it. Watch what happens. Step 3. Look at the results. Look at this. 10 real businesses with real contact info pulled from live websites. Personalized pitch emails referencing each restaurant's actual rating. A professional PDF proposal. And every email already sent to each restaurant with the proposal attached. That's a complete outreach campaign. Agencies charge $500 to $1,500 for that. OpenClaw did it from one sentence. Now try that with ChatGPT. Try Claude. They can't browse live websites, pull real business data, create PDFs, or send real emails. That's what makes OpenClaw a completely different category, and that's what InstantlyClaw gives you. And it doesn't stop there. Here's what you can build with your OpenClaw today. Content agency, $500 to $2,000 per month. Lead generation and outreach, $50 to $200 per list. Competitor intelligence reports, $500 to $1,500 each. Reputation management, $300 to $800 per month. SEO audits, $200 to $500 on Fiverr. Freelance fulfillment. OpenClaw handles the work, you deliver and collect. Quick math. 3 clients at $500 per month is $18,000 a year. 5 clients is $30,000. Your investment today, $37. Let me walk you through everything loaded inside your InstantlyClaw. Your OpenClaw is fully hosted. You don't touch a thing. One click and it's running on our cloud servers 24/7. No VPS, no Docker, no terminal, no Mac Mini. Other providers charge $72 to $300 per year for a blank install. Yours is included free, fully loaded, completely isolated and safe. Your OpenClaw runs in a sandboxed cloud container. Zero access to your personal computer, files, email, or bank accounts. Confirm before acting is on by default. It asks permission before sending emails, posting content, or taking any irreversible action. No rogue AI, no horror stories. You're always in control. Research and web tools, browser control for browsing live websites and pulling real data, real-time web search, social media monitoring, SEO research for rankings and audits. Communication tools, Gmail for sending and managing emails automatically, Google Calendar for scheduling, Voice Agent for speech to text on WhatsApp, content and document tools, Google Docs and Sheets for report, a PDF creator for proposals and lead magnets, screenshot and OCR for extracting text from images, automation tools, cron jobs for running any task on autopilot, webhooks for connecting to Zapier, Make, and N8, and link tracker for campaign performance. Super memory ties it all together. Your OpenClaw remembers your business, your clients, your brand voice, and gets smarter over time. Chat on Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord, or use the full web dashboard. Your OpenClaw, your way, commercial rights included. Everything it produces is yours to sell. Client work, freelance gigs, monthly retainers, every output, 100% yours. Now, having a powerful OpenClaw is one thing. Knowing exactly how to turn it into money is another. That's why you're also getting my AI Agent Profits Bootcamp alongside InstantlyClaw, the exact playbook for landing your first paying client, how to give instructions that produce client-ready output, how to price services, how to close deals, paint by numbers. On top of that, 5 bonuses worth $75. 10 ready-made business prompts, packs with tested prompts and pricing for the most profitable niches, a commercial rights certificate, private community access, and a first client in 7 days quick start blueprint. You're not getting software and figuring it out on your own. You're getting the complete system to turn OpenClaw into a real business. Here's what I need you to understand about this offer. After this launch, InstantlyClaw moves to a monthly subscription. That's how every other OpenClaw provider works. Monthly fees forever. During this launch window only, you get in for a one-time price, and that price rises every few hours to reward the fastest action takers. Let me put this in perspective. Setting up OpenClaw with a specialist costs $150 to $400 per hour. A custom AI agent system runs $5,000 to $100,000. Even the basic hosting wrappers charge $72 to $300 per year for an empty install with nothing configured. You're getting a fully loaded OpenClaw, 15 connected skills, 12 months of cloud hosting, 2 months of free API, smart model routing, commercial rights, the training bootcamp, and $785 in bonuses. Not $5,000, not $500, not $100, $37. One time, not monthly, not yearly. One single payment and it's yours forever. Now, let me address the thing you might be thinking. Abhi, this sounds too good. What's the catch? There's no catch. We make money on this launch because thousands of people buy and a percentage upgrade to our advanced options. That's the business model. Your $37 gets you the complete system because we want you inside using it, seeing results, and telling your friends. That's worth more to us than charging you $25 a month. But this pricing only exists during launch week. Once the timer hits 0, InstantlyClaw becomes a monthly subscription just like every other provider. And the one-time option disappears permanently and you're protected. 14-day, no questions, money back guarantee. Deploy your OpenClaw. Give it real tasks. Run a lead generation campaign. Set up a cron job. Try the prompt packs. Put it to work for yourself or for a client. If within 14 days you're not completely blown away by what OpenClaw can do for you, just reach out for a full refund. You keep the training, you keep the prompt packs, we eat the cost. That's how confident we are. You're risking nothing. The only way to lose on this deal is to miss it. One last thing, OpenClaw isn't a trend. Websites changed business in the 2000s, social media in the 2010s. AI chatbots in 2023. Agentic AI is the next wave, and OpenClaw is leading it. The people who move first always win. You've seen it happen. Right now, for $37 one time, you get a fully loaded OpenClaw deployed in 60 seconds. Skills connected, hosting for a year, API credits, commercial rights, training, bonuses, everything you need to profit from the biggest AI shift since ChatGPT. I'm not asking you to decide yes or no. I'm asking you to make a fully informed decision. And the only way to do that is on the inside, not the outside. Press the buy now button below before the price increases. I'll see you on the inside.
If you're interested, use the link in the description to launch your AI empire today. The AI agent market is projected to hit $52 billion by 2030. Businesses are already paying $5,000 to $100,000 for custom setups, and with InstantlyClaw, you can claim your piece of this market immediately. Fiverr and Upwork sell competitor research reports for $200 to $500. One user turned a $37 investment into $1,600 in pure profit. Local agency retainers package AI services as a $750 per month retainer. High-value consulting bill $1,200 for deep data reports that the AI generates in just 2 hours. We've eliminated the risk of DIY setups. Your AI runs in an isolated cloud container with zero access to your personal files. Plus, with Confirm Before Acting safety rails, your AI will never send an email or post content without your explicit permission. Talking to your team is as easy as texting a friend via WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. During this special launch phase, you can get InstantlyClaw for a one-time payment of just $37. This includes 12 months of fully managed cloud hosting and 2 months of free LLM credits. The best value? The InstantlyClaw bundle deal. Upgrade to the bundle to save 65% and get the DFY Niche Business Pack, 10 niche configurations and 90 agent profiles, the Automation Vault, 25 done-for-you workflows, the Unlimited Upgrade, no limits on agents or messages, and the Agency License. Create up to 25 client accounts and use white label branding. We're taking on all the risk with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you can't get InstantlyClaw to pay for itself in 30 days, you don't pay a dime. The window to be an early adopter is closing, and the price increases every few hours. Use coupon code INSTANT to take an extra $50 off the bundle today. Stop working for your business and start having your business work for you. Click the link in the description to launch your AI empire today.